less than €1/day times instant access. Stop explaining your chart to an AI that has never seen a candlestick in its life. ChartSensor reads your chart instantly, so you can stop guessing, stay in flow, and make clearer decisions in seconds. Secure checkout via Digistore 24 14-day money-back guarantee used by beta testers. Every person using ChatGPT mid-session for charts knows how this ends. You're staring at a chart. Price is approaching a key level. Something is forming, but you're not 100% sure what you're looking at. So you do what most traders do, open a new tab, paste your question into ChatGPT, try to describe what's on your screen in text, wait, read a generic answer, go back to your chart. The candle already closed. The moment passed. UVE described the same chart set up from scratch, again, to a generic AI that doesn't actually understand technical analysis. UVE second-guessed a perfectly good pattern because you had no fast way to validate it. UVE broken your analysis flow by jumping between tools mid-session. The problem isn't your skill. Your tools weren't built for real-time chart analysis. What if the AI already knew you were looking at a chart? ChartSensor isn't a general-purpose chatbot you redirect toward trading questions. It's a context-aware analysis assistant built to live directly beside your chart, so every question is answered in chart context, in trader language, without you having to explain everything first. You open your chart. The AI panel is right there. You type your question in plain English. You get an instant, task-specific answer. You stay in flow. ChatGPT guesses. ChartSensor reads. ChatGPT needs you to explain everything. ChartSensor already understands you're looking at a chart. No rewriting context. No explaining indicators. No guessing what you meant. Just ask. Get a real answer. Keep analyzing. The ChartSensor Decision Framework. ChartSensor isn't just an AI tool. It's a structured decision system that combines proven trader frameworks built into 23 powerful templates, context-aware AI that understands charts and follows your exact analysis flow, technical and sentiment breakdown in one seamless place. You can ask, can you give me the full technical picture here? Where's the nearest real support level? What's the social sentiment right now? Just ask. Get an answer. Keep analyzing. Built for 3 types of traders. Daily traders. You add instant validation to your existing strategy without changing your already proven workflow. Swing traders. You check setups between sessions and want a fast, reliable sanity check on what you're seeing before taking a position. Newer traders. You're learning technical analysis and want a second opinion that can also explain its reasoning step by step. You're losing 130+ hours a year to pure workflow friction. A typical analysis session. You spot a setup on the 1H chart. You're not sure if it's a valid ascending triangle or just consolidation noise. You screenshot it, switch tabs, open ChatGPT, type out the context, pair, time frame, price levels, volume, wait for a generic response, try a follow-up, wait again, switch back. 6 to 8 minutes gone. The candle you were watching already closed. Every time you switch tabs, rewrite context, wait for answers, you lose time and miss opportunities. ChartSensor removes that completely. One bad hesitation or misread setup can cost more than this entire year. Secure checkout via Digistore 24 14-day money-back guarantee used by beta testers. Open. Ask. Understand. That's it. Step 01. Open ChartSensor. ChartSensor works next to a real chart. No migration. No bloated platform to learn. Step 02. Type your question in plain English. Ask anything you'd ask a knowledgeable trader sitting next to you. Is this a head and shoulders? Where's resistance? New to tar? Just say explain like I'm new. Step 03. Get instant, task-specific analysis. Structured, pattern-aware analysis, right where you need it. Stay focused. Keep analyzing what you get inside. What you actually get with ChartSensor. This is not just access to an AI. It's a complete analysis system built for real trading sessions. AI Chart Analysis Assistant. Ask anything mid-session and get instant, task-specific answers directly beside your chart. 23 pre-built setup templates. Structured setups based on real trading logic, so you don't have to guess what to check. Custom analysis workflows. Create your own setups and build a repeatable system around your personal trading style. Full technical breakdown. Get pattern recognition, key levels, structure, and volume context on demand. Social sentiment integration. Combine technical analysis with market mood and crowd psychology in one answer. Context-aware conversations. Ask follow-ups without re-explaining yourself. ChartSensor tracks the thread of your analysis. Built-in learning mode. Type explain like I'm new and learn technical analysis while using it. Works with your existing setup. No need to switch platforms or rebuild your workflow just to start using it. Everything is designed for one goal: help you analyze faster, think clearer, and make better decisions. Beta tester feedback. Honestly, the setup was way easier than I expected. Asked it about resistance on a BTC chart I already had open and it just answered properly. Rene V, Rotterdam. Part-time crypto trader / N learned to move faster *. What beta testers are saying. Beta tester feedback #1. Been charting every day for 3 years. With this I just type the question and it already knows I'm looking at a chart. Cut the whole thing down to maybe 15 seconds. Marcus T, Berlin. BTC /F day trader times 3 years experience. Learned to look into multi-time frames *. Beta tester feedback #2. I kept second guessing my reads on wedges and triangles. Now I just ask and get an actual answer. It's like having someone more experienced look over your shoulder minus the ego. Ultisa K, Helsinki. Altcoin swing trader times 2 years experience. Live education on setups *. Beta tester feedback #3. Asked about a level, then volume at that level, then the trend, and it tracked the whole thread. That's what ChatGPT can't do mid-session. David R, Amsterdam. Crypto futures times part-time analyst. Learned to read trends *. Generic AI answers questions. ChartSensor understands charts. Generic AI was built to answer everything. That means it was optimized for nothing. When you describe a candlestick pattern in text, you're asking a general-purpose model to imagine a chart from your description. The AI panel. Right there. Next to chart. Ask your question and the answer appears beside your candles. The product. How markets actually think. We spent as much time on how it feels as on how it works. An AI assistant you actually enjoy opening is one you'll actually use. The AI panel appears beside your chart. The answer appears in under 15 seconds. Minimal. Nothing that isn't needed. No bloated dashboards. No unnecessary settings. You open it, you ask, you get an answer. Contextual. Always beside your chart. The AI panel lives next to your candles, not in a separate workflow and not detached from your analysis. Instant. Fast enough to keep your flow. An assistant that makes you wait breaks momentum. ChartSensor is designed for real sessions, not delayed replies. Questions users ask mid-session, answered in seconds. Full technical analysis. Know what you're looking at, instantly. ChartSensor checks the defining characteristics of price structure, indicators, and confirmation touches to give you a complete technical read. Complete picture. Get a scenario matrix on the technical outlook. See candle structure, indicator alignment, volume confirmation, and historical price behavior at key levels in one place. Social sentiment. Technical analysis and crowd psychology in one answer. Layer real-time social sentiment on top of the chart structure so you can read both the setup and the market mood. Trading Companion. An AI that explains, analyzes, and teaches as you go. More than a tool, ChartSensor acts like a knowledgeable trading companion that helps you understand what you're seeing step by step. Beta tester feedback. The follow-up thing is what sold me. Asked about a pattern, then about the volume on that same pattern, then what would invalidate it, and it tracked the whole conversation. Didn't have to re-explain anything. That's the part that makes it actually useful when you're in the middle of something. Tom B. Prague, CZ. Swing Trader times Daily Chart User times 18-month CXP. Checkout to first question in under 10 minutes. Complete checkout via Digistore 24. Secure payment with 256-bit encryption. Card, PayPal, or other supported methods. Receive access email instantly. Credentials and setup instructions arrive the moment payment is confirmed. Activate and ask your first question. Quick start, done. Open your chart and begin analyzing immediately. Full year of AI-powered chart analysis. Instead paying a single trading course, Euro 500-2000. A year of Trading View Premium, Euro 600. A weekend trading seminar, Euro 1500 plus. Get ChartSensor for €340 for the year. Full AI Chart Analysis Assistant. 2-3 pre-built trader templates. Custom workflows and setups. Technical and social sentiment analysis. Works with your existing chart workflow. 400 crypto pairs. All future updates included. 1 4-day money-back guarantee. Secure checkout via Digistore 24 14-day money-back guarantee used by beta testers. One bad hesitation or misread setup can cost more than this entire year. This is not for everyone. People looking for signals or what to buy. Traders chasing shortcuts. Anyone expecting instant profits. Persons who want clarity instead of guessing. People who value structured thinking. Users who want to learn about trading. This price won't stay this low. ChartSensor is in its founding member phase. The Euro 340/year price exists because we're building with our first 1000, and their feedback directly shapes what gets built next. Euro 340/year is the lowest price we will ever offer. Founding members get priority access to new features. Your 14-day guarantee still applies, zero risk. Get ChartSensor for Euro 340/year instant access. Try it in real sessions. If it doesn't change how you work, you pay nothing. Use ChartSensor for 14 full days. Open it mid-session. Ask real questions on real charts. If after 2 weeks you don't feel it improved your workflow, clarity, or speed, contact us and we'll refund every cent. Frequently asked questions. No. It's a technical analysis assistance tool. It helps you interpret chart patterns, price structures, and levels. It does not tell you what to buy, sell, or hold. All trading decisions remain entirely yours. No on both counts. It does not generate signals, execute trades, or connect to your exchange. It's a conversational analysis assistant. You ask questions, it gives structured responses. Basic familiarity with charts helps. Knowing what candlesticks and price levels are is enough. The AI explains clearly, so it helps you build understanding as you use it. ChartSensor AI built-in full chart system. Full access details provided after purchase. Contact support before buying if you have a specific platform question. Instantly. The moment your payment confirms, you receive credentials and setup instructions. Setup takes under 5 minutes. 1 annual payment for 12 full months of access, less than Euro 1/day. At the end of your period, renewal is your choice. No automatic charges. 14-day money-back guarantee. Not satisfied? Contact us and we'll refund in full. No questions asked. Your next chart session starts without this. It doesn't have to. ChartSensor puts analysis aware AI right beside your candles, for less than €1 a day. Get ChartSensor for Euro 340/year instant access. Secure checkout via Digistore 24 14-day money-back guarantee used by beta testers. Important information. ChartSensor is a technical analysis assistance tool for informational and educational purposes only. It does not provide financial advice, investment recommendations, or trading signals. Trading and investing involve substantial risk. Past chart patterns, historical price behavior, and previous market reactions do not guarantee future outcomes. No representation is made that use of the platform will produce profits, improve trading performance, or prevent losses. All trading and investment decisions remain solely your responsibility. You should independently evaluate all information and seek advice from a qualified financial professional where appropriate. ChartSensor is sold and delivered via Digistore 24. ChartSensor AI. Euro 340 /year times less than Euro 1 /day times 14-day guarantee.